evening everyone. Welcome to the live shopping experience at Aso Parlor. Today we have something special and unique for all of you beautiful brides.
So we are presenting our exclusive bridal collection today. It's about luxury, it's about modern salute, it's about a combination of traditional techniques. So we have something special for all you brides. So those seeking a traditional touch, we have our velvet lehengas. All the brides who are looking for a more modern approach, we have lehengas with Swarovskis and crystals studded in it. Any questions that you have, please DM us. Please post your comments. We are here to reply you with everything, all the customization details, all the pricing details. So please stay tuned and have a look at the collection.
Let's get started.
Yeah. This is our first lehenga. It's in a dusty olive color in velvet fabric with a very antique Zardosi work on it. As you see the detailing on the blouse, the work on the blouse has an antique touch to it, an antique Zardosi touch with beautiful floral motifs, and it is paired with a contrast blush pink dupatta. And have a look at the lehenga. So for this, the base color that we have selected is a dusty olive color on a velvet fabric. Along with antique Zardosi, we have used resham. We have used contrast resham here. So there are, there is rust, there is red, and the border of the lehenga has beautiful floral as well as bird motifs on it to give a very contrast look. Kushi, can you please check the price for this lehenga?
Sure. Okay, so the price for this beautiful lehenga is 4,04,800.
Yeah, the price for this lehenga is 4,04,800 rupees. So all our brides, please take a screenshot of all the outfits that you are interested in, and so that way you can communicate with us later. You can DM us for more inquiries, more customization details. Now we'll move on to the second outfit. So here we have a lehenga which gives a very traditional touch for all the brides who are seeking more traditional weaves or more traditional woven outfits. We have a Kanjivaram lehenga with hand marodi work on it. It is paired with a bandhani dupatta, and it has a very, very royal and rich marodi work. When you see the detailing on the bandhani dupatta, the entire dupatta has got a heavy khat work on it. Over here on the blouse, we have used red raw silk, and we have given marodi work and Zardosi work highlight on it. Our lehenga has beautiful hand-woven Kanjivaram fabric in an ivory tone for all the brides who want a traditional Panatar look. The bottom hem of the lehenga has got Zardosi work along with marodi on it. The richness of the marodi work and the weaving of Kanjivaram gives a very, very different and a very luxurious look to this outfit. This lehenga is also paired with a headwear which is in net fabric As you see the headband here, it is studded with Zardosi work all over to complete the look, to give a more rich and royal feel to the entire outfit. And the price for this lehenga is?
The price for this lehenga is 2,80,500.
Okay, I'll repeat once again. The price for this lehenga is 2,80,500 rupees. Now we'll move to our third outfit.
जिनको भी ये लहंगा पसंद आए स्क्रीनशॉट लेना मत भूलिएगा.
So now here we have a lehenga which is a very modern approach, which is got a very modern feel to it. Okay, the base color here that we have chosen is grey. We have used net fabric for this. This lehenga is ideal for a reception look, something for an after party, something for an post wedding event. It's got lots of sequins, lots of Swarovskis and crystals on it to give a very blingy and shiny effect. As you can see the work and the floral detailing here, we have used contrast color sequins along with crystals and pearls. This lehenga is heavy studded with work and gives a very beautiful sparkly look. It is paired with a high neck blouse. And I'll let you know the price for this lehenga.
The price of this lehenga, this gorgeous lehenga, is 1,09,020.
Okay, brides, it's 1,09,000. This is perfect for your reception look. Please take a screenshot and DM us for more customization details and price inquiries. Here we have a tone-on-tone red lehenga for the brides who doesn't want anything contrast, who wants to stay monochrome in her outfit. We have a red lehenga. We have a red lehenga with a very modern blouse to it. When you see the blouse and the pattern and the cuts on the blouse, it's very different and it's perfect for a reception look. And the back of the blouse. So a different cut of neckline, a different style of work makes this a very unique piece, something different than your wedding lehenga. You want your reception outfit to be different. It has to be heavy but really different than your wedding lehenga, and this I feel is one of a kind. It's got thread work, it's got kaddana, it's got beads, it's got tonal work on it, and that is the beauty of this lehenga. It's flary look to it. Again, the head dupatta here is also very elaborate. It's got uneven edges and crystals all over the dupatta. For our modern bride, seeking a very different look, this is something that you should definitely have in your wedding trousseau.
Plus monochromatic garments are really in trend right now, so I would really suggest you to go for this one. Okay, so the price for this one is 98,900.
Okay, the price for this one is 98,900. Please take a screenshot. Let us know if you want to customize this outfit and you want this to be a part of your dream wedding. Next over here, we have a traditional red bridal lehenga. Every bridal collection is incomplete without a red bridal lehenga. Here we have a raw silk lehenga with handwork on it. This red lehenga is paired with two dupattas. We have a shoulder and a headwell dupatta. Let me give you a close-up detailing of the work. Over here on the dupatta, we have beautiful floral and geometric embroidery done. And it has got embellishments of net, embellishments of sequins and pearls. This is a classic red bridal lehenga for the brides who doesn't want to experiment and who wants to have a red bridal lehenga. As you can see, the detailing on the sleeve, it's quite different than what the body of the blouse is. We have got Zardosi work. We have got a beautiful Marori neckline. Coming to the lehenga, we have kept the lehenga to be lighter in terms of work. We have not filled it. It is not very dense in work. It's got Zardosi, it's got resham, it's got sequins. A lot of different combination of embroidery techniques are used to make this lehenga. And the best part of this lehenga is this beautiful heavy border at the bottom, which gives a perfect look. It's got floral embroidery along with gold Zardosi. And I'll tell you the price for this lehenga.
The price for this lehenga is 1,26,900.
Okay, like I said, the price for this lehenga is 1,26,900. This lehenga can be customized in any color that you want. We can make it in any shades, be it blush pink, be it ivory. We can play with the patterns in the blouse. All the customizations is possible. So please take a screenshot and let us know if you want this outfit to be part of your dream wedding attire.
It's unique and a traditional look provide करे છે. Let's go to the next one.
Next we have a bright pink lehenga. Like it is said, pink is the new red. So, this bright pink lehenga is going to be a very beautiful and a very unique piece and a very unique shade in your wedding trousseau. We have used Ari-tari work, we have used resham and lots of pearls and sequins on the blouse. When you see the detailing, it's got a very nice shine because of the gold zari work that is used here. We have incorporated beautiful contrast floral embroidery motifs. Also, I would like to show you the back of this blouse because the pattern at the back of the blouse is very unique and very beautiful. This lehenga also is paired with two dupattas. We have a peach dupatta and we have a pink dupatta. To break the monochrome effect, you can use the pink dupatta on your shoulder and use the red as your headwell. Let me show you the work on the lehenga. So over here we have used Kaddana, Ari-tari, we have used resham, we have used pearls, we have used sequins to finish the look of this lehenga. And the bright pink color, the base color, the raw silk pink that we have used to bring a contrast to this, we have used blue shade in the resham work. And price for this outfit is?
The price is 73,950.
Okay, the price is 73,950. Next here we have a beautiful royal velvet lehenga in maroon and olive. The color combination used in this lehenga is very different. The work and the designing of this lehenga took 6 months to complete. Let me show you the close-up of this. It's got a very antique look and very royal and very regal look. The lehenga is heavily studded with antique Zardosi work. It's got sequins, it's got Zardosi, it's got resham work in purple and rust color to bring a contrast on the velvet background. When we look at the border of this lehenga, we have used an olive green color, a dusty olive, and we have used colorful resham on top of it to bring a contrast effect and a shine to the border. The blouse of this lehenga is also very unique in terms of its color. We have used a rust color in the body of the blouse and we have used sleeves in a true blue color. So the combination of rust, blue and olive green along with the red bridal lehenga gives a very different look. I'll show you the dupatta for this one. It's got a georgette dupatta with Mukesh work on it, a contrast border and buttas at the front of the dupatta. If you want something to be very luxurious, very traditional, very modern looking, very rich lehenga, this I feel you should go for this lehenga.
So the price for this lehenga is 5,15,200. The price for, I will repeat, the price for this lehenga is 5,15,200.
Okay, so with this we would commence our live session. Okay, and I have one more lehenga to show you. Blue. We have one last lehenga to show you. This is also for the reception look. This midnight blue lehenga is perfect for the brides who want a darker color reception lehenga for an after party. When you look at the detailing of the lehenga, it's got colorful sequin embroidery. Sequins and pearls are used to adorn this beautiful lehenga. So on a blue base, we have peach, we have pink, we have different color sequins dyed to give this effect. The base fabric for this lehenga is organza. That's why it's very light and it's comfortable for you to dance with. This could be your Sangeet outfit, this could be your reception outfit because it's lightweight, it's blingy and it's in-twinned. When you look at the blouse, it's got a lot of sequin work on it, a lot of floral jal with an asymmetric cut at the waist to give a very glamorous look. And the dupatta with this lehenga is in net with matching embroidery and a beautiful long tassels. I'll let you know.
The price.
Price.
The price for this beautiful lehenga is 76,780. I would repeat it once again. It's 76,780. Please take a screenshot if you like this lehenga. And please let us know in the comments if you want us to show any other lehenga once again for you to take a screenshot.
Okay, I will let you know the price of this outfit once again. This is the first lehenga that we had shown during our live session.
The price of this lehenga is 4,04,800. Once again, 4,04,800.
So with this, we are ending our live session. Hope you have liked this outfits and enjoyed the bridal tour. Please post comments. Please let us know in DM if you want to see more live sessions like this with different style of outfits, with different functions outfits. And regarding all the lehengas that you have seen today, if there is any inquiries about customizations and price, please let us know. We are here to help you. In this time, digital shopping has been a very helpful for us all, and we are here to help you deliver your wedding outfit across the globe. Thank you.
Thank you so
Bye.
much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.